If you've ever tried draining a pot of boiling pasta while balancing a heavy colander in the sink, you already know how stressful it can be. One wrong move, and you're dealing with hot water splashing everywhere, pasta slipping into the sink, or worse, risking a burned hand. The good news is there's a much simpler way to cook pasta. Today we're taking a closer look at the Cookware Concepts 5.5 quart pasta pot with strainer lid, a stainless steel cooking pot designed for home cooks, busy families, college students, and anyone who wants to make pasta night easier. Instead of using a separate colander, this pot features a built-in twist and lock strainer lid that promises safer draining with less mess. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out is its clean stainless steel design. It has a polished, modern appearance that looks right at home in almost any kitchen. More importantly, it feels solid without being excessively heavy. The stainless steel construction gives the impression that it's built for years of regular cooking rather than occasional use. The lid fits securely, and the twist and lock mechanism feels surprisingly simple after just a couple of uses. What really separates this pot from a traditional stock pot is the integrated strainer lid. Instead of carefully transferring hot pasta into a separate colander, you simply twist the lid into the lock position and pour the water directly through the built-in straining holes. It's one of those features that sounds small until you actually use it. Once you do, it's hard to imagine going back to the traditional method. The generous 5.5 quart capacity also makes this pot incredibly versatile. It easily handles spaghetti, fettuccine, penne, rotini, macaroni, or even larger pasta shapes without feeling overcrowded. Beyond pasta, it works equally well for soups, stews, boiling potatoes, vegetables, corn on the cob, or preparing homemade broth. That versatility means it earns a permanent place in the kitchen instead of becoming another single-purpose gadget. In everyday cooking, the pot performs exactly as you'd hope. Water heats consistently, and the tight-fitting lid helps trap steam, allowing pasta to cook evenly throughout. Draining is where the real convenience becomes obvious. The twist and lock lid stays securely in place while pouring, making the process feel much safer than balancing a heavy colander over the sink. For families with kids, or anyone who cooks frequently, that added convenience quickly becomes one of the biggest selling points. Cleaning is another area where this cookware shines. Since the pot is dishwasher safe, cleanup requires very little effort after dinner. Even if you prefer hand washing, the smooth stainless steel interior cleans easily without holding on to food odors or stains. Unlike some non-stick cookware, you don't have to worry about delicate coatings wearing down over time. Of course, no cookware is perfect. Because it's made from stainless steel rather than non-stick material, certain foods may require a little more attention to prevent sticking. The built-in strainer is excellent for pasta and vegetables, but extremely small grains like rice or quinoa may still require a finer mesh strainer depending on your cooking style. These aren't major drawbacks, but they're worth knowing before you buy. Compared with similar pasta pots from Cook in Home, Bioletti, or Gotham Steel, the Cookware Concepts model offers a very practical balance of durability, capacity, and convenience. The twist and lock lid eliminates the need for an extra colander, helping reduce clutter while simplifying one of the most common kitchen tasks. For many home cooks, that added convenience alone makes it stand out from standard stock pots. Overall, the Cookware Concepts pasta pot with strainer lid is an excellent choice for anyone who regularly cooks pasta, soups, or family meals. It combines durable stainless steel construction, thoughtful design, easy cleanup, and safer draining into one practical piece of cookware. If you cook pasta often and want to simplify your routine, this pot is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest cookware and kitchen gadget reviews every week. And if you're thinking about upgrading your pasta pot, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability before any current deals end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.